Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming hardware versus software. Power down, remove battery if accessible, disconnect peripherals, then boot into BIOS to test the F keys independently. If they work in BIOS, the problem is software, drivers, or hotkey utilities. Once done, reboot to your OS, open Device Manager, and check the keyboard driver and any manufacturer hotkey utility. Make sure FN lock isn't engaged. Many laptops use an FN plus ESC or dedicated lock. This narrows the fix direction fast. Next, focus on software repair because most F key issues come from drivers or utilities. You should update or reinstall the keyboard driver and any OEM hotkey utility. Use Device Manager to uninstall, then reboot so Windows reinstalls automatically. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to see if third-party software conflicts. If F keys work there, remove recent apps. Once you identify the culprit, reinstall the correct vendor utility from the manufacturer's site and confirm settings like multimedia key mappings are correct. For final steps, move to hardware. Remove the affected keycaps carefully, clean debris, and inspect the scissor or rubber dome. If comfortable, power down and reseat the keyboard ribbon cable. Loose contacts cause intermittent F key failures. Once reassembled, test with an external USB keyboard to determine if the laptop matrix or controller is at fault. If keys remain dead, replace the keyboard or consult the service manual. If you see odd behavior, contact professional repair. Troubleshooting tip: use a known good external keyboard to isolate hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.